Thutha wa guikio ngono ni ruhonge rwa kurua na ungumania guku bururi-ini EACC, uria wari munene wa ugendi bururi-ini Najib Balala agicukirwo kungumania kigina gia gwaka Utalii College mwena wa Gicũa-ini kuria wagirirwo gwakwa na bilioni 1.94 no indi kuringana na EACC ruhonge rwa ugendi rwarihire ciringi bilioni 8.5 mugaru na uria Balala mandikanire na kamiti ya kigina mweri-ini wa gatano tariki 22 mwaka-ini wa 2007. Oho kuringana na uthuthuria uri wikitwo ni ruhonge ruru ruonanitie ati kambuni ya Vipingo niyo yaheanire mugunda uria thukuru uyu wakitwo. Na thutha wa guikara moko-ini ma maabitha a ugacero mathaa 24, Minista Mũhurũku wĩra Najib Balala ni arikia kurekererio na bodi ya ciringi milioni 5 kana marihi ma hau ma milioni 1. Ũũ ni thutha wa igoti kwaga mahitia maria aracukirwo namo ma ungumania wa ciringi bilioni 8.5.
Each of the first and second accused persons is admitted to a bond of 5 million with surety of like amount or a cash bail of 1 million.
Balala uria ugukinyitie mbere ya mucirithania munene Joseph Mwaniki atwirirwo bodi eno mari hamwe na uria wari mwandiki munene Lea Guio oro undu umwe na Joseph Odero wa miaka 82 kuria Odero arekererio na bodi ya ciringi milioni 3.
17th accused person, especially on account of age and health, is admitted to a bond of 3 million surety of like amount or a cash bail of 800,000.
Muthia mucirithania munene Joseph Mwaniki augite aria othe makuruhanitio na cira uyu magikinya igoti-ini riu tariki 28 mweri-ini wa Dithemba.
So council, we have the mention on 28th of this month for plea for the suspects in custody. The first, second and 17th accused persons are exempted from attending on the mentioned date, and the accused persons will be supplied with witness statements and any other documentary or any evidence the ODPP wish to rely on.
Andu-ini ha Muthingi TV nie njitagwo Wambui wa Maina.
Haya.